Have you ever wondered if one small moment could change everything? A smile. A kind word. A helping hand. Tiny gestures we often forget. But what if those moments don't just end there? What if they travel, quietly, shaping lives we'll never even meet? Science actually backs this up. A landmark study from Harvard showed that generosity doesn't stop with one act, it spreads. One person's kindness inspires another, and another. Until whole networks start to change. You help one person, and unknowingly, you've started a chain reaction. Another study found that when children practiced small acts of kindness, like sharing lunch or including someone left out, their happiness soared. And so did their popularity. Because kindness connects us in ways status never can. It's contagious, and everyone wants to catch it. Even witnessing kindness changes us. Researchers found that when people simply observe compassion, something shifts inside. We feel calmer. More human. Our biology literally rewards us for caring. And here's the wild part. When you practice kindness again and again, you don't just help others. You rewire yourself. Long-term studies show it can boost your mood, lower stress, and make empathy your default mode. You become the person others feel safe around. And that's rare power. So the next time you think your actions don't matter, think again. Your smallest gesture could be the start of someone else's turning point. You may never see how far it travels. But it will travel. Because one act of kindness isn't just a drop in the ocean. It's the drop that makes the ocean ripple. So here at GrumpUp Grit Guru, let's be the ripple. Let's start the change. Because real change doesn't start out there, it starts right here, with you. Subscribe for more real talk, and together, let's keep the ripples going. GrumpUp Grit Guru, real talk. Real change.